Ladies, what is going on? It's your girl, Carrie M. If you are new here, please, girl, hook your sister up. Click on that pretty red subscribe button. And if you don't want to miss any of my beauty, fashion, or lifestyle videos, because you know I do it all over here, make sure you turn on that notification bell. Now, today's video is sponsored by Samsbeauty, okay? Now, first of all, I've been rocking out with Samsbeauty for a long time as far as my purchases go for my synthetic wigs, because one, they be having all the best sellers, they be having the latest drops, and they got some really fast shipping, okay? So I highly recommend Samsbeauty, and it's an honor to actually, be sponsored by them because I genuinely love them. So definitely look in the description box for this unit, which will be directly linked to their website so you can pick it up, because by the end of this video I think you're gonna want it. But also do keep in mind that Samsbeauty is an online beauty supply store, so you're gonna find more than just wigs there. You get your wigs, you get your weaves, you get your braided hair, you'll get your products, accessories, all of that stuff that you need for beauty. They got it, okay? But we're gonna talk about this unit that you see on my head. Now I'm gonna give you a quick short story because I know you want to get straight to the unit. Initially, y'all, when I ordered the wig or chose the wig, I did not think that I was gonna like it, and I only got it because it was a newer wig, and y'all want to see newer reviews. Like, why you want to see some old stuff? You know what I'm saying? But when I put the unit on, which y'all gonna see in a second, I still was like, I don't know. She's giving me iffy vibes. But I'm gonna tell you this, we got the wig together, and she's sexy, sophisticated, fluffy, and she is the curls for the girls, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and just jump right into the unboxing, the install, and I'm gonna let you know my thoughts along the way, and I'll save my last thoughts for the end of the video. So let's go ahead and slide on through. So your girl is mad hype. I get hype when I do synthetic units, but this unit is from Sensationnel. It's from their wet lace collection in the style Leena, the color number 1. It's a 100% premium fiber synthetic unit. You do get 13x6 ear-to-ear lace with a pre-plucked hairline with some baby hairs. You get a comb on each side right behind the lace area, one in the nape area, and some adjustable straps, okay? Now, the hair was looking a little crazy when I put it right on. I was like, girl, I don't know. It was looking a little crazy. And the lace is actually okay. It's not like, a perfect match for me. So I did tint it, and I do highly recommend spraying it down with some setting spray and some hairspray so it doesn't move. I did wipe off the excess off the hair because it definitely went through. Now you will see that some of the powder was still bouncing around, y'all. That's why I feel like it's very important to spray it down with some setting spray so it's not powdery. So I had to go back because that powder was definitely moving. But anyways, the lace looks really good with just a little bit of powder that I put on there. So I cut my lace like usual and just got the installing. I will say that this unit is very easy to deal with, so it is a beginner friendly unit. It's really not hard to deal with at all, y'all. I did cut a little bit up into the middle of the hairline just to shape the hairline a little bit better for my face, because it was all up on my forehead. Now, being that it is a 13x6 unit, of course, you have options. It is versatile. You can part it kind of wherever you want. So your girl was really going all in for that middle part. And then I was like, nah, we got to do something different. So I hit it up on the side, which I absolutely love, y'all. But I do love having the options of parting it on the side or in the middle. All in all, this unit was very easy. And I cannot believe that I really was sleeping on this unit, because this unit is going to come out so freaking beautiful. I just hooked it up, my last little finishing touches. Y'all know I always like to spring my hair back a little bit, get a little flip back action, have it flowing a little bit to the front. I love doing this. I do this with a lot of my wigs, y'all, so again, I'm adding some powder to my parting space so it can blend a little bit better, and I will be setting it, because if you don't, it will bounce around. Y'all already saw it the first time when I was cutting my lace, okay? So I'm just fluffing hair as much as I want to get it fluff. I don't want it too big. Set a little hairspray right there, and that's really it. Like, this hair was really easy to deal with. It's beautiful. The curls are juicy. If you want the hair fuller, all you have to do is finger comb it a little bit bigger. Like, this hair is definitely so pretty. The hair is really soft too, I must say. And again, like I said, the lace is okay, and you do get a little bit of ear to ear, but as you can see, my sideburns were out, but I'm fine with that. I'm not tripping off of it. I think the hair is absolutely beautiful. It's giving what it's supposed to give. I'm feeling real sexy, real pretty, and it's just gorgeous, honey. So yes. Y'all know I live up north, so it really be cold during this time of the year. But right now it is hot, child. Let me tell you, like last week I had the heat been on for like a good 2 to 3 weeks because it's been really cold. But for the last couple days, it's been real hot but extra windy outside. I don't know what's going on, but it feels like the beginning of spring. Listen, If the world want to do a little shift over here and they want to restart the season of summer, I'm here for it. But anyways, let me go ahead and let you know my final thoughts on this unit. So she's definitely spacious, so you will have space in this unit. I like how she feels. She's very comfortable. I do love the ringlets. I think she is very beautiful, very, very beautiful. I will say though, be careful when it comes to the fluffing of it, because if you don't want her swollen and big, it's going to be a little hard to wrinkle her back down to how she initially came. The tangling, I mean, I did get a few knots and all of that when I was kind of putting my fingers through it, which is naturally going to happen with this curly unit. The shedding is not even a question. The shedding is good on my end. Now, it's been a really long time since I tried a wet lace unit. I can't even remember the last one I've done. It might have been the Letitia. I don't know, okay? Don't even get me to saying, because I reviewed so many wigs, I don't even know. But I think that the lace actually looks pretty good on it. Of course, it was a little light for me. So if you're dark, you're a little chocolate, okay, you got a little extra melanin on your little skins, you're definitely going to have to tint it a little bit, which is fine. But just with the little tinting, she was cool. And I do think that they give you a decent, mildly pre-plucked hairline. It's not an intense plucked hairline, it's mild, and it was good enough for me to leave alone. I just didn't feel like I wanted to do the extra work. I just felt like, no, like, don't make this difficult, okay? As far as styling it and getting it to how you want the hair to sit, that's the most complex part with this unit, because if you don't want the middle part, you want a side part. The hair has the 13x6, so you do have the option to part it where you want, but because of that, there isn't a defined part, so you will have to put some work into it as far as getting the hair to mold where you want it to sit, depending on where you put the party space. That's the most complex part with the unit. She is a really easy unit. She's not difficult. You just got to make it work for you, for your face, for what you're looking for. She is giving rich freaking auntie on a budget. Do you feel me? And again, like I said, if you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you do. Share this video on your social media with your homegirls, with your friends, tell them about it, but share it on your social media so other ladies can get some of this goodness. Don't be selfish, and comment down below and let me know if you are feeling this, okay? Don't be scary. You can comment. I won't chew you up. I'll see y'all later. Bye.